Meet the Iron Bull DTB, our best-selling dump trailer, built to work as hard as you do. From construction sites to ranches and everything in between, the DTB has earned its reputation by delivering dependable performance day after day. Built on a reinforced dual 6-inch I-beam frame with a one-piece 7-gauge steel floor and Iron Bull's signature side armor system, the DTB is engineered to be one of the toughest, longest-lasting dump trailers in the industry. Available in multiple lengths, widths, and side heights, with both bumper pull and gooseneck configurations, there's a DTB built for the way you work. Aluminum slide-in ramps make loading equipment easy while storing conveniently underneath the bed. An oversized weatherproof, lockable toolbox keeps the pump, battery, and controls protected and secure. Add in a powerful scissor hoist, a versatile 3-way rear gate, a standard retractable tarp system, and premium features throughout. And every detail is engineered with productivity in mind, backed by dual 7,000-pound electric brake axles and built with the durability Iron Bull is known for. The DTB is ready to haul, load, dump, and do it all over again. See why it's the dump trailer more hard-working customers choose than any other in our lineup. Iron Bull, where durability meets affordability.